sight words. I, a, is, the. I, a, is, the. At, has, can. At, has, can. Now let's read the long sound words with long E sound. C, B, C, B. Tree, three, three, three. Ship, dip, ship, dip. Green, queen, green, queen. Sweet, meat, sweet, meat. It, knit, it, knit. Read, lift, read, lift. See, tea, see, tea. Peace, peace. He, she, we. He, she, we. Now let's read sentences. Let's follow this red pointer. I see a bee. Let's repeat, children. I see a bee. The tree is green. The tree is green. We eat sweet peas. We eat sweet peas. I see three sheep. I see three sheep. The queen has tea. The queen has tea. He can read. He can read. She is neat. She is neat. The leaf is deep. The leaf is deep. We meet at sea. We meet at sea. Now, children, let's read again. This time, it's your turn. Follow this red pointer. Good job, children. See you in the next videos.